Job Shop Manufacturing. Welcome to the creative world of Job Shop Manufacturing, where no two products are alike and customization is the name of the game. Job Shop Manufacturing is like a tailor shop for industries. Every order is unique, and the process is all about meeting specific customer requirements. Think of it as the make-to-order option for manufacturing. One size definitely does not fit all. This type of manufacturing is project-based. It's designed to handle small volumes of highly customized products. You'll find it in industries like machinery, where custom machine parts are crafted, or even furniture, where unique designs are built to order. It's all about adaptability. No two jobs are exactly the same, so flexibility is key. But here's where things can get tricky. One major pain point: managing lead times. When every product is custom-made, delays can creep in if one phase takes longer than expected. And let's not forget the challenge of resource allocation. With multiple projects running simultaneously, deciding who works on what and when can feel like solving a jigsaw puzzle without the box. Picture this: a machine shop making a one-of-a-kind gear for a specialized engine. Every detail matters, from the material to the exact dimensions. Or imagine a drone company crafting prototypes for aerial photography. Each model is a blend of creativity and precision engineering. Despite the hurdles, Job Shop Manufacturing is where creativity meets technical expertise. With smart planning and efficient workflow management, even the most complex custom orders can run like clockwork.